nigo babakogokera omorobireyo nabo igokweneke buna obokoreri bwabo nigo burachikoba obwekerengo kigoro mono gobwatikana na maigiria yo babiri bakonyora ayo bakagoika omoelio litko liarero okwana chinga kicho omorobireyo nigo baboria abaribande ko babwatesia elinda kweneke buna abasae ngokonyeka bale amatuko abosyo asiba bakumuiraniria mbya mono omo women rep Kaunti ya Kisii sabuli nabo igoko mugania kogendera gusira abasae bande imeyorogongorwa Gusii.
Known as Gusii, I'm a boss lady, I'm a business lady selling maize, Darajambili and Nyanchwa. I'm a blogger and I'm on Gusii TV, also as a reporter and as a camera woman. I can say I came here just to study about filmmaking, being a producer and script writing. And for sure I can testify I've gained a lot, because if I were to go to school, I could have paid a lot of money, that is 8,000, and a film commission and film school. But through our women lab, Madam Donya Doris Toto, she has empowered us, and now we have skills that we can go outside there and teach others and do more films and more producers and produce good jobs. To me, I can say thank you, Mama, and I've never voted actually since I got the ID. And today I had that mentality of it's not my family, he can't help me, he go and help his family and maybe the relatives. But from today, coming another election, I will stand with you and I will vote for the first time. Those guys who are outside there, when any chance comes across, just try to be in that chance. You're gonna gain a lot. As for me, I've gained a lot, and thank you.
My name is Geoffrey Machoka, just a beneficiary of this program. Tunafurahia sana kwa mama Kaunti amehakikisha kwamba tumepata haya mafunzo. I'm from Msaada na ninafurahia sana kwa kazi nzuri mama anafanya. Hatutaendelea kusikiza maneno from the other side, but tutaendelea kumshika mikono because amesaidia watu wengi from different constituencies within Kisii County. Hii ndio maendeleo ambao wa Kenya tunataka. Otherwise mambo mengine sitaki. Na kuna viongozi aina tatu. Kuna viongozi aina tatu. Mmoja ni kama chakula, hatuwezi kumwepuka. Huyu ndio kiongozi ambaye hatuwezi kumwepuka. Kuna kiongozi wa pili ambao ni kama dawa, tunamtafuta wakati tunamhitaji. Hao sio viongozi dhabiti. Na kuna mwingine ni kama maradhi, hatutaki kuwaona maishani mwao. Mama County umetusaidia sana na tunashukuru. Kenya Film Production tunawashukuru kwa kuungana na Ngap kwa kutuletea hii program.